The performance gap is a crucial concept in the journey toward achieving millionaire status, representing the distance between an individual's current financial situation and their desired financial goals. This gap highlights the disparity between where one is now and where one aspires to be, serving as a critical indicator of the steps needed to reach financial success. Understanding this gap is essential, as it allows individuals to identify the specific areas that require improvement, whether it be increasing income, reducing expenses, or investing wisely. Recognizing the performance gap empowers you to take actionable steps toward your financial objectives, fostering a mindset geared toward growth and achievement. By acknowledging the existence of this gap, one can develop a clearer vision of what millionaire status entails and the necessary milestones to reach it. Furthermore, this understanding sets the stage for practical strategies aimed at bridging the performance gap. These strategies may include setting realistic financial goals, creating a budget, investing in education, and seeking mentorship. By implementing these tactics, you can systematically close the gap between your current financial reality and your aspirations, ultimately paving the way to financial independence and wealth accumulation. In essence, grasping the performance gap is not just about recognizing a challenge, it is about seizing the opportunity to transform one's financial future. The performance gap can be defined as the difference between an individual's current financial status and their wealth aspirations. This gap significantly impacts financial success, as it often dictates the paths individuals take in their pursuit of wealth. Typically, those striving for financial success may follow various routes, such as investing in education, starting businesses, or seeking high-paying jobs. However, the paths of millionaires often diverge from those who struggle financially. Millionaires tend to adopt a proactive mindset, focusing on long-term investments, continuous learning, and strategic networking, while those facing financial difficulties may find themselves caught in cycles of reactive decision-making, living paycheck to paycheck, and lacking a clear financial plan. This contrast underscores the importance of understanding the performance gap. It is not merely a measure of financial disparity, but a call to action. To close this gap, one must adopt a focused approach that includes setting specific financial goals, developing disciplined saving habits, and seeking opportunities for growth. By recognizing the behaviors and strategies that contribute to wealth accumulation, individuals can shift their mindset and actions toward more productive paths. Ultimately, addressing the performance gap is essential for anyone serious about achieving financial success, as it provides a roadmap for transforming aspirations into reality and fostering a sustainable path to wealth. My journey to achieving millionaire status was marked by significant obstacles and a lack of options. Initially, I faced numerous struggles, including financial instability and limited resources, which made the dream of wealth seem distant. Growing up in a challenging environment, I often felt trapped by circumstances, with few pathways to success. However, despite these challenges, a strong determination to become wealthy fueled my ambition. At that time, I recognized that my current situation did not define my future and committed to changing my financial trajectory. This determination became the driving force behind my efforts to bridge the performance gap. To do so quickly, I adopted a proactive approach, focusing on education and skill development. I sought out mentorship and immersed myself in learning about personal finance and investment strategies. By setting clear financial goals and creating a structured plan, I was able to identify actionable steps that would lead to wealth accumulation. Networking with like-minded people and leveraging opportunities also played a crucial role in my success. Through perseverance and a willingness to adapt, I transformed my initial struggles into stepping stones toward financial independence. This personal experience serves as a testament to the power of resilience and the importance of taking decisive action to overcome obstacles and achieve millionaire status. The relationship between perceived value and income generation is pivotal in understanding how individuals can enhance their financial success. At its core, solving bigger problems often leads to higher income, as those who address significant challenges in the marketplace are typically rewarded with greater financial returns. When we focus on providing solutions that have a substantial impact, we elevate our perceived value in the eyes of clients and employers, which can translate into increased income opportunities. To harness this potential, we need to identify our unique value propositions. This involves recognizing what sets me apart from others and how my skills can effectively address the needs of the market. By understanding our strengths and the specific problems we can solve, you can position yourself strategically to attract higher-paying opportunities. Moreover, aligning one's skills and passions with market demand is crucial for sustainable income generation. When we pursue areas that interest us and have a strong demand in the marketplace, we are more likely to excel and create value. This alignment fosters a sense of fulfillment while simultaneously enhancing earning potential. Ultimately, by focusing on solving larger problems, identifying unique value propositions, and aligning skills with market needs, you can significantly boost your perceived value and, consequently, your income generation capabilities. How to identify your value zone. A Venn diagram exercise can be an effective tool. Take a piece of paper and a pen and create 3 overlapping circles on the piece of paper. In the first circle, list your passions, activities, subjects, or ideas that ignite your enthusiasm and bring you joy. In the second circle, write down your skills, which are the abilities you have developed through education, experience, or practice. Finally, in the third circle, you should identify your marketable services, focusing on what you can offer that has demand in the marketplace. It is very important to be as creative as possible. Try to think outside the box and consider unconventional income sources that align with your passions and skills. For instance, if someone loves photography and has strong editing skills, they might explore opportunities in freelance photography or creating online courses. The key to success lies in finding the overlap among these 3 areas. The intersection of passions, skills, and marketable services represents the value zone, where you can thrive and generate income. By focusing on this overlap, we can identify unique opportunities that not only fulfill us personally, but also meet market demands. This approach empowers one to carve out a niche that leverages their strengths, ultimately leading to greater satisfaction and financial success. Selecting the right business model is crucial for generating income, as it directly influences the sustainability and growth potential of an enterprise. One key differentiation to understand is between active and passive income vehicles. Active income requires continuous effort and time investment, such as working a job or running a service-based business, where earnings are directly tied to the hours worked. In contrast, passive income involves earning money with minimal ongoing effort, such as through investments, royalties, or automated online businesses. For those just starting out, service-based businesses are often recommended as a viable entry point. They typically require lower initial investment and can be launched quickly, allowing individuals to leverage their skills and expertise to generate income. Service-based models also provide immediate feedback from clients, enabling entrepreneurs to refine their offerings and build a loyal customer base. Let us try to brainstorm service ideas within our value zone is essential for identifying opportunities that align with our passions and skills. By reflecting on your unique strengths and the needs of your target market, you can develop innovative service offerings that stand out. This brainstorming process not only fosters creativity, but also helps in pinpointing viable business ideas that can lead to financial success. Ultimately, selecting the right business model, particularly in the service sector, can set the foundation for a rewarding and profitable entrepreneurial journey. Introducing the concept of passive income through smart investing is essential for anyone looking to build wealth over time. One fundamental aspect of achieving this is the importance of having a separate vehicle for investments. By designating specific funds for investment purposes, individuals can create a clear distinction between their everyday finances and their wealth-building efforts. This separation not only helps in tracking investment performance, but also encourages a disciplined approach to saving and investing. For beginners, utilizing investment apps can significantly simplify the process of entering the investment world. These apps often provide user-friendly interfaces, educational resources, and tools that make it easier to understand various investment options. They typically offer features like automated investing, portfolio tracking, and even robo-advisors that can help users make informed decisions without needing extensive financial knowledge. This accessibility empowers individuals to start investing sooner rather than later. I encourage you to research and create custom investment portfolios, as this is crucial for long-term success. By exploring different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can tailor their portfolios to align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Customization allows investors to diversify their holdings, which can mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. Ultimately, embracing passive income through smart investing not only fosters financial independence, but also paves the way for a more secure and prosperous future. Managing limited resources effectively is crucial for achieving personal and financial success. One of the first steps in this process is to analyze your allocation of time, money, and energy. By taking a close look at how these resources are currently spent, we can identify areas where adjustments can be made to enhance productivity and overall effectiveness. This analysis helps in recognizing patterns that may not be serving our goals and allows for more strategic decision-making. One significant danger of spreading resources too thinly is that it can lead to burnout and diminished returns. When we attempt to juggle too many commitments or investments, we often find ourselves unable to devote the necessary attention and effort to any single endeavor. This dilution of focus can result in missed opportunities and a lack of progress in key areas, ultimately hindering success. To counteract this, I advocate for focused efforts on high-impact activities. By prioritizing tasks and projects that yield the greatest results, you can maximize your limited resources. This might involve concentrating on a few key investments, dedicating time to skill development, or engaging in networking opportunities that can lead to significant growth. Ultimately, effective resource management not only enhances productivity, but also paves the way for achieving long-term goals and realizing one's full potential. Differentiating between obstacles that hinder progress and excuses that prevent action is vital for personal growth and success. Obstacles are genuine challenges that arise in the pursuit of goals, such as financial constraints, lack of knowledge, or time limitations. In contrast, excuses are often self-imposed barriers that stem from fear, procrastination, or a reluctance to step outside one's comfort zone. Confronting your obstacles head-on is essential. Acknowledging these challenges is the first step toward overcoming them. To effectively tackle obstacles, you can employ strategies for reframing them into actionable solutions. For instance, if time is a constraint, one might consider prioritizing tasks or delegating responsibilities to free up time for more critical activities. Similarly, if a lack of knowledge is an issue, seeking out educational resources or mentorship can transform that obstacle into an opportunity for growth. The importance of persistence in overcoming challenges cannot be overstated. Progress often requires sustained effort and resilience, especially when faced with setbacks. By maintaining a determined mindset and viewing obstacles as opportunities for learning and development, you can cultivate the grit needed to push through difficulties. Ultimately, distinguishing between genuine obstacles and excuses empowers us to take decisive action, fostering a proactive approach to achieving our goals and realizing our potential. Continuous learning is a cornerstone of achieving financial success, as it enables individuals to adapt to changing markets and seize new opportunities. Knowledge compounds over time, meaning that the more one learns, the more valuable that knowledge becomes. This accumulation of information and skills can significantly contribute to wealth creation, as it allows individuals to make informed decisions, identify profitable ventures, and innovate within their fields. I encourage you to seek out new learning opportunities. Post-education is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. The world is constantly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends, technologies, and financial strategies is crucial. This can involve attending workshops, enrolling in online courses, or participating in industry conferences. By actively pursuing knowledge, we can enhance our expertise and increase our marketability, ultimately leading to greater financial rewards. Moreover, the role of experience in building a successful career cannot be overlooked. Practical experience complements theoretical knowledge, providing insights that can only be gained through real-world application. As we navigate our careers, we encounter challenges and opportunities that further refine our skills and understanding. This blend of continuous learning and hands-on experience creates a powerful foundation for financial success. In essence, committing to lifelong learning not only enriches one's knowledge base, but also fosters resilience and adaptability, essential traits for thriving in today's dynamic economic landscape. In summary, closing the performance gap is a critical step toward achieving financial success. By understanding the difference between one's current financial status and desired goals, you can identify the necessary actions to bridge that gap. We discussed the significance of recognizing obstacles versus excuses. I repeat once again that confronting genuine challenges head-on is essential for progress. Additionally, we highlighted the importance of continuous learning, as knowledge compounds over time and plays a vital role in wealth creation. Now, it's time for you to take actionable steps toward your financial goals. Whether it's setting specific objectives, seeking out new learning opportunities, or focusing on high-impact activities, every small effort counts. Remember, persistence is key. The journey to financial success is often filled with challenges, but with determination and the right strategies, you can overcome them. We invite you to engage with us further by subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on achieving financial independence. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Your engagement not only supports our community, but also helps spread knowledge that can empower others on their financial journeys. Together, let's take the steps necessary to close the performance gap and build a prosperous future